time has come. It's finally here. The Metabo track saw. Been waiting for a while for this. It's just a little sneak peek. Yeah, 63-inch track. I'll make a video on using it and see what I think about it. So far I like it. And the best thing is, you could use it with an AC adapter as well as a multi-tool battery. So stay tuned for a video that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna try to make a box for my laser engraver. I have an idea, so hopefully you guys stay tuned and watch that video too. I just want to share my idea.